Welcome to part 3 of this video, and as I was about to show, this is where you connect this doohickey right here in there, and there's only one direction in which it goes. And then on this side there's another doohickey with 3 bits there, and you slam that in there very gently. Slam it gently. Then it looks like it's got extra stuff here. I'm not sure where this would be headed. Beheaded? No beheadings, okay? No beheadings. Gosh, the jokes are terrible on this channel. Anyway, so we've got the soldering. Oh, there's not much solder material in there. That's a bit of a letdown. There's a sponge. There's extra bits that I can solder with, and interesting. There is a user manual, which I probably will never use. And this goes, no.
Likey.